Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your HFUN drone. First, download the HFUN Pro or HFUN Fly app from your mobile device's app store. Next, make sure your drone's battery is fully charged and then power on the drone. Also, remember to remove any gimbal covers or obstructions before proceeding with the connection process. Now, let's connect your phone to the drone's Wi-Fi. Turn on your smartphone's Wi-Fi function and navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named something like XLPROSG** or similar and connect to it. There is typically no password required for this connection. Once connected, you are ready for the next step. With your phone connected to the drone's Wi-Fi, open the HFUN app. Inside the app, press the Start button to access the drone's control interface. It is crucial to perform a compass and gyro calibration at this stage. Simply follow the clear instructions provided within the app to complete these important steps, ensuring stable flight. If you encounter connection issues, here are some helpful tips. First, verify your phone's Wi-Fi supports the 5 GHz band, specifically IEEE 802.11/B/G/N/AC. If your phone is an older model, trying a newer device might resolve connectivity problems. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications on your phone to improve performance and connection stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.